Yo, what's up, everybody? It's Cooking with ALLO. Are you tired of eating spaghetti and lasagna during quarantine? Trust me, I am too. So today, we're making a short rib ragu with egg noodle. This is all of the ingredients that you'll need. Go ahead and chop you some garlic, some shallots. You could chop your garlic or you can leave them whole. I like them whole or maybe cut in halves. You're gonna salt and pepper only to your short rib. I have about £1.5 pounds, maybe 2 pounds of short rib because I'm not, see, did y'all see that? You see, I'm messing up my shirt, so I went and I stripped and I put on a tank. But yeah, back to seasoning the meat. Salt and pepper only. You throw it in your Dutch oven with a little bit of oil, brown it on each side, and make sure that you get your short rib cut in flanken style for about 2 inches. And you want to make sure that the bone is in. It's a lot more flavor. And in that same Dutch oven, when you brown each side of your short rib, you're going to add your 1 chopped celery stick, your 1 onion. I had to actually add a little bit more, but that's just my thing. That's what I like to do. Don't forget your carrots. You're going to add your shallots and some of your garlic. You're going to mix that in with about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, and you're going to stir. Okay, you're going to keep stirring for about 10 minutes, and then when you're done with that, you're gonna start adding your wines. Here's a nice port. I got it from Pavilions. You're not even gonna use that much. You're only gonna use probably about half a cup, maybe a full cup, depending on your taste buds. And don't forget your beef stock. So you're gonna need about 2 cups of your beef stock and only about 2 cups of red wine. Any cabernet will work, but like I said, I like Ménage trois. It's one of my favorites. You're gonna turn that heat up so that way it's boiling. You're gonna add your garlic and you're gonna continue to stir. Always stir, guys. Anytime you add something, you should be stirring. I went ahead and did some parsley as well to give it a little bit of color while it's cooking. Put your short ribs back in the Dutch oven after you've browned them. You're basically just gonna put the lid on. Oh, can't forget the bay leaves, the rosemary, and the thyme. Look at me. Oh my God. See, these voiceovers are harder than I think. So you wanna make sure that your oven was preset to 325, because what you're gonna do is cook it for about 1.5 hours, 2 hours, depending on how much short ribs you have. And then you're gonna take it out the oven, and then you're just gonna watch the bones fall off. Like, that meat is so tender, guys. I was so excited about this. And you're also gonna remove like your rosemary and your thyme stems. You're just gonna go ahead and take those out. Look at that. Somebody can look at that bone. That bone is clean. Remove your bay leaf. And in that bowl that you removed your short rib from, you're gonna make sure that you take out all the bones and you're gonna start shredding your meat like I'm doing here. And right when you're done with that, you could go ahead and cook the sauce down to about half. So make sure the heat is up pretty high. And then you're gonna add your meat. And after you add your meat, you're gonna turn the temperature down. And then you're just gonna stir. And you're gonna see all the goodness. And it's okay to do a little taste test while you're stirring. Be careful, because the Dutch oven be real hot. So make sure you have your kitchen rag or oven mitt while you're stirring. And then in the meantime, while that's marinating, you want to go ahead and make your egg noodles, or any type of flat noodle would be, pretty easy to do. Take a little bit of sauce from the ragu, add it to your noodles, and then start plating your food. And don't judge me because I didn't have a cheese grater, but I basically needed to get some cheese on that plate. So that's what I did. Scoop you on to some short rib ragu right there, put on your noodles, and baby, bye, look at that. I'll tell you, that thing good. Ooh, it's so good. It made me want to go back and make this again. My mouth watering. Oh, and don't forget to say your prayers. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you tune into my next video. I'm going to go ahead and put in the description below all the ingredients and all of the steps that you need to make this meal. It's perfect for any date or just for yourself if you want to eat something that's not spaghetti or lasagna. Again, thank you guys. This dish was inspired by Bobby Flay. Peace and love.